What's up guys, it's Triple M Maximilian back again with another video. Look where we at, cleaning up the environment. I'm working today and summer has officially begun. We're doing a quick shoulder and chest day with the boys. Mo Samuels from the UK and Mo Tech Lab sent me this, so I'm gonna review it. WOBZ V2 pre-workout pills. And we might go in for a swim, so let's get it. Oh, good. Oh, you took pre-workout and this?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm not sure if you should take the whole thing. I remember he sent me a note. He told me to take half, but take full pill stimulant. Oh. You just took about 500 milligrams of caffeine. It just takes longer to digest, but let's do it.
Yeah. Right
Going
here.
into the ocean?
I'll do that. Yeah.
Yeah, I got you.
Thank you.
I gotta get up like that. I have to go all the way up.
How that feel?
So almost, right?
Nah, I was looking clean.
I got this. We'll do a couple sets here. We'll finish off with some high repetition routines, and then we could go swim.
Yeah.
You got the GoPro, right?
Yeah. It looks like caveman.
I haven't done what the doctor told me to do. So, wait, Zed, aren't you supposed to be like a heart surgeon?
No, I'm doing PMNR. Sports med. Just have a splint on it. That's all you need.
What do you mean splint?
Fake?
Yeah.
Put tape around it. And
Oh.
Okay, so keep it steady.
That's all you need to do.
Just
Yo,
like
you
my
should try that and see
steady.
if it works.
It will work. Okay.
It will work.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm gonna be on a world star, yo.
Let's go.
Yeah. Let's go, Max. You're up then.
Up again. Let's go.
Money bag.
Regress. You can regress. I'm gonna just do the handstand push-ups.
For nothing. For the fame, I ain't changing for nothing.
Oh my god.
Look.
I'm just gonna go up there. Try the handstand.
I can't do the normal handstand push-ups, so regress. Yeah, there's no more energy for the rest
Like
of the
that
things.
feel, you need that specific feel.
So it goes like max set at the gym, max bench, and then regress.
Yeah.
And then it goes all the way to the isolation things, which we can do at the end. I don't know how to swim.
You don't know how to swim? Yeah, that's plus 15 followers right there and 3 likes. Too much alcohol. Good shit.
I got a word.
You gotta look out into the sea.
Stay there for 3 hours. That's hard. Is that waterproof?
Yeah, it is.
Good workout, because you have to hold this one and you're just using one arm. Ah, you're drowning, bro. I think I gotta save him. Let's practice our rescues on you. Workout number 2 complete. Shit is lit. What a beautiful day it was, guys, on the beach. I just started working as a lifeguard at Coney Island, so I'm gonna be there the whole summer. Thank you for continuing to watch my videos. It's gonna be very challenging to upload, edit, and work at the same time, but I'm gonna manage to do that, and I'm gonna have a great summer working out on the beach and making money. With that being said, I already see tremendous progress from today's workout. I'm finally achieving the handstand press-ups, and my main goal is to hit the 90-degree push-up by July 3rd, which is my birthday. Again, thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 50K by the end of the summer. Let's make it happen, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I live inside my own world of